Hello guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the menu language of the odometer of a Fiat Panda 2013 model. I had a customer asking for it to change language, and I'm going to show you how I did that. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, the Service Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more than 350 other videos on how to reset different model cars or how to reset some kind of indicators. Any questions, any comments, use the comment area and I get back to you as soon as possible. As you can see, the odometer is in English, and I'm going to show you how you can change that. To change that, you have to use these three buttons over the set button and the two arrow buttons down and the arrow button up. Press the set button a few times till you get menu over here. Once you have done that, change the menu, go through the menu by the arrow buttons, find language over here, language. Once you have found that, press the set button briefly, and as you can see, English is blinking. Change it with the arrow buttons to the desired language, for example Dutch. Once you have Dutch blinking, press the set button briefly till you hear a beep, and as you can see, the menu is now in Dutch. And that was it. I hope you enjoyed it. Look at our channel for more videos, and I hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.